There are so many ways identity thieves can steal your personal information. Millions of people have their identities stolen every year, and the financial consequences can be tragic. FreeCreditScoreCenter's Identity Protect can help you protect yourself from identity thieves and even help you restore your identity if it gets stolen. To start using it, open Identity Protect and go to the Monitored Information tab. Enter the information you want monitored, like your address, email addresses, credit cards, phone numbers, social security number, medical ID, driver's license number, and passport. Identity Protect will constantly scan the dark web where thieves share information. If your info pops up, we'll send you an alert so you can take action. We'll also watch for suspicious use of your social security number, and we'll monitor the National Change of Address database and U.S. postal records to watch out for unauthorized address changes. On the dashboard, you can see what identity elements we're scanning for and alerts we've delivered to you. Clicking the Identity Alerts tab, you can read about the alerts we've given you in more detail. We don't just work to help protect you from identity theft. We're also here to help you recover if you become a victim. With our $1 million worth of identity theft insurance, we'll reimburse you for expenses related to the theft, including costs related to restoring your identity, lost income, and stolen funds. And our team of identity restoration experts will help you take all the steps you need to repair and restore your identity. There's no way anyone can protect themselves 100% from a possible identity theft. But with our identity protection tools and identity restoration services, you can protect yourself better, reduce the damage caused by identity theft, get back on your feet faster, and enjoy greater peace of mind. Just click the link to get started.